In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create sections in Asana tasks. We'll walk through a simple flow that turns a single task into a clear, structured plan using subtasks as your sections, so you always know what's next and who's responsible. Start by opening Asana and heading to your home page. Home gives you a quick overview of recent work and is a reliable launch point for navigating your workspace. From there, look to the left sidebar and go to My Tasks. This view centers on your personal workload, making it the perfect place to organize the tasks you own and to add structure that keeps things moving. Next, open the task you want to organize. Click it from the list to bring up the Task Details panel. You'll see fields like description, attachments, and activity, and a dedicated area for subtasks near the bottom. Subtasks are the easiest way to create clean sections inside a task without overcomplicating your project. Scroll down and select Add Subtask. Think of each subtask as a focused section of work within the larger task. Give it a clear, action-oriented name that makes its purpose obvious the moment you read it. Titles like Plan Outline, Gather Assets, or Draft Version 1 work well because they describe a single outcome. With the title in place, add a due date. Use the date picker to set when that section should be completed. Choose dates that support the overall timeline of the main task and space them in a way that reflects real effort. If you're working in weekly sprints, align these dates to your sprint cadence so the workload remains balanced. Now add an assignee. Assign it to yourself if you own that portion or to the teammate responsible for completing it. Assigning right away ensures it appears in that person's My Tasks and sends the appropriate notifications, building accountability without extra follow-up. When everything looks good, press Enter to save. That locks in the title, due date, and assignee. Repeat this quick flow to add as many sections as you need, keeping each subtask tightly scoped so progress is easy to track. A few practical tips as you build. Keep naming consistent so sections read like a checklist. Limit each subtask to one outcome and use due dates that reflect actual time needed. If multiple people contribute, keep a single owner and capture collaborators in the task description or comments to avoid confusion. That's all it takes. Open Home, go to My Tasks, open your task, add a subtask, name it, add a due date, assign it, and save with Enter. Repeat for each section, and you'll transform a vague to-do into a clear step-by-step plan inside Asana.